In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly access and manage your WordPress site with Hostinger's H-Panel. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and concisely, ensuring you can manage your website effectively. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Hostinger H-Panel account. Simply open your web browser and navigate to Hostinger's website by typing in hostinger.com in the address bar. Once you arrive at the homepage, look for the Login button. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your account credentials. If you've already got an account, just input your details as normal. It's a straightforward process that keeps your site secure and easily accessible. Once you're logged in, it's time to move on to managing your website. From the H-Panel interface, direct yourself to the Websites section. This section is essentially the control center for all the domains associated with your account. As you glance over your list of sites, find the specific domain that you'd like to work with. Next to this domain, you'll notice a button labeled WP Admin. Clicking this button transports you seamlessly into your WordPress dashboard, so there's no need to go through another login process. It's a little feature that saves you time and effort, allowing you to get right into the heart of managing your site. Now that you're in the WordPress dashboard, you're in a space where you can bring your creative vision to life. This is where you can take charge of everything that happens on your website. Ready to share a new idea or product? Use the dashboard to create or edit your pages and blog posts. Let your site's design truly reflect your brand by exploring different themes. If you're looking to enhance functionality or give your visitors something extra, consider installing plugins. And of course, don't forget to customize various elements to suit your personal style or brand identity. You can also manage users, giving access and permissions as necessary, and adjust a wide array of settings to ensure everything runs smoothly. While the process may seem complex at first, remember that each step is here to support you and provide the tools you need to succeed online. Over time, navigating through these panels will become second nature, and you'll find yourself exploring new ways to optimize and enhance your site even further. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stick around for more tips and tricks on effectively managing your WordPress